Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Missybeelondon, and in this quick video I will show you how I make my Nylah Herbal hair tea. Quick and easy, just pouring the cups of water into this jug right now. Kind of slow, but hey. 2 cups of water into the jug, and it says my melanin slays on the cup. Got it from my ebony box as well. Now I'm going to pour the herbal tea into the jug to let it ferment in the water for around half an hour. And now you can see me opening the herbal tea packet. And let me open it. Let me empty it into the jug as well. And I give it a little stir with a wooden spoon. I thought use wooden because sometimes metal does stuff, so to say. So wooden is a neutral material to use for a herbal tea. Gave it a little stir. Look at it there. Many minutes later, you can see it's turned darker and the flowers and the herbal properties has expanded. Now you can see me pour the mixture from the jug into a bowl. I have a sieve so to make sure none of the bits and pieces will get in my hair. So yeah, I'm just pushing down with the wooden spoon to get all that goodness out as well. There's so much goodness in this herbal tea, like flaxseed, hibiscus flower, cameline flowers, lavender essential oils, and you can see on the video, you can see it there in the corner as well. Squashing it out. And now you see me pour the mixture / tea into my spray bottle, and that is how I'm able to spray it in my hair as well. Be very careful as well when you're doing this. Just putting on the top of the bottle on, and that's my convenient spray that I've been using for 2 weeks now. It's nearly finished, so I need to make some more tea. And I use the remainder in the rinse as well. Now you can see me spraying the herbal tea in my hair. Don't watch the face, oh my god, I look so tired. And look at my hair shrinkage. Yes, it's for real. That's how short it is when it's wet. What can I do? That's just how it is, and that's how I've got to show my hair when I'm doing certain hair videos as well. But water is good for you, so hey. And this herbal tea is good for my hair as well, which I've noticed I'm loving, and I need to get some more soon as well. So yay. Simple thing, just spray it in your hair. Thank you for watching. Any queries, leave a message or just go to the website as well, nylah.co.uk. Bye.